Friday, June 25th, 2021. Let's get started. All right. Welcome back, everyone. Got some light work to do today. Trimming, edging, cutting, pulling some weeds. It's been 3 weeks since I put those seeds down. Time to do some maintenance. Let's take a look at this area. Now we know why it's not good to plant in the summertime. Look at this. First thing I'll do is pull the weeds. Reason is, when I start cutting, I don't want this stuff to get back in the dirt. It'll grow, spread, and take over the yard. You don't want that. Trust me. I'll start here. Pull this stuff up. Nothing to it. There are tools you can buy instead of using your hands, but I'm comfortable doing it like this. Just want it clean, weed free, and of course, like I just stated, I don't want this stuff to get back in the yard. Very long stems. Grass is wet. I might have trouble cutting. I'll start in this area and work my way up and down, like a snake almost. If this was a horror film, what would the title be? I'll let you guys decide. Look at this. Horrible. You see how weeds can just take over an area, suffocating the blades? Disgusting. Now you see why it's important to plant at the right time. I got up as much as I could. Looks a lot greener, healthier. Let's come back over here and take a look. Not too thrilled about this, but some growth is better than none. You know what? I feel some drops. I need to hurry before it starts pouring. Yeah, it's coming down. You know, the last few days we've been getting a lot of rain. I don't know if you can notice the drops on the sidewalk. Might have to postpone mowing the grass. I can't do it if it's raining too hard. It stopped. I think I can pull this off before it starts back up again. Okay, I decided to save myself a headache. I'll probably end up doing more work, but I want this to look good. I gotta trim over there. Since the grass is wet, I know I have to cut twice. So I'll start by cutting half because I know the grass is gonna stick up after I rake. So I'll cut half, rake, and cut again. Make sure it all gets up. This is what I like to see. A lot of green, very little brown. I might stop bagging and just let it discharge from the side. The water helped. The seeds that did grow really helped it green up back here. Even in this area, you know, it was a bare spot. I expect it to fill out. So let's finish up. The Scott Sun and Shade mix came up well over here. Some spots, but I have to trim. I did some raking, trim by the garage, by the gate. Of course, I'll mow some more. The brood has been really good to me. With the exception of overseeding or doing a lawn renovation, make sure you cut your grass every few days. You don't want your blades to get too tall. It invites a lot of moisture, fungus, blah, blah, blah. You know, I've been harping about it for a long time. Just keep it in mind. I edged. You know, I used my works. Trimmed a little more. Mowed just a bit more. Looks great. Pleased with the results. But we can do better. Well, folks, that'll be it. Be proud of yourselves. We worked hard. Got some okay results. I'll focus on this area by the garage. Fill it out. That grass will come up. Trust me. We learned a valuable lesson though, didn't we? And what was that? Don't seed when it's too hot. No point doing it when it's too cold either. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.